Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the Zome Camo Spyderco Delica and Endura, now available at KnifeCenter.com. The Endura and Delica 4 models have been favorites of ours for a long time, and now we're very excited to be getting our hands on two new variations. What's unique about these models is the use of the Zome-style handles. Zome is a class of Japanese handicraft that focuses on dyeing textiles. This ancient art form includes many different methods for creating patterns on cloth, using dyes derived from plants, flowers, fruit, and other natural sources, and is closely related to many aspects of Japanese history and culture. The handles on these Enduras and Delicas are made from injection-molded FRN, formed in a light base color and then individually hand-dyed by expert Japanese artisans, using a technique inspired by traditional Hikizome. Various colors are hand-brushed onto the scales to create distinctive, one-of-a-kind patterns. Like Japan's classical methods, the special dyes completely permeate the FRN to permanently color it. The Zome Endura and Delica boast all the defining features you've come to expect, including a full flat ground blade of VG10 stainless steel, a sturdy backlock mechanism, skeletonized stainless steel liners, and a 4-position pocket clip. They're made in Seki-City, Japan. If you want to get your hands on one of these beautiful Zome-style Spyderco knives, click the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up with all our knife-related content. In the meantime, don't forget to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at KnifeCenter.com and check back often to see what deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.